Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have unpackaging. I actually don't have any idea what's in this thing, so if it's watch related, I guess we'll see what it is. If not, then yeah, anyway, I don't know. So let's see what's in here. Oh, yeah, okay. It's not watch related, but I guess it's kind of channel related. This is a survival knife that I bought. I think it was like $12. I don't know. I'll have to look up my purchase history and on Amazon and see how much it was. So yeah, man, I bought this a couple weeks ago, and obviously I forgot what it was. So it is a camp knife that has this fire starter. I forgot what this is, but basically you just need to strike it on metal and it will create sparks. And the metal would be on this knife here. If I can figure out how to... Well, it's in there nice and tight. You gotta make sure not to stab yourself with it. Looks like it has a serrated portion here. And normally I just buy the, well, I don't have a bunch of them, but they kind of look like this, the Morakniv, Morakniv. But this was a little bit cheaper than those, and I don't really need any more of those, and figured what the heck, we'll buy one of these and see what it's all about. It was, like I said, I think it was $10 or $12. So yeah, it's kind of funny. I forgot what was in here. Why this is so hard to get in and out, but I mean, I guess that's what you want. You don't want it falling out of here. So I'll throw this in a bag for camping and stuff, and make sure I always have it with me. All right, that will conclude today's video. Kind of a really short unboxing video here. So yeah, I guess that will do it. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.